Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to do something different. So I was going through my wigs in my makeup studio. I like the strawberry blonde, kind of Marilyn Monroe, old Hollywood vintage look. Excuse the breakouts, we've been filming 3 videos in one day, so my skin took a bit of strain. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with applying my primer, and I'm using my Mia Beauty primer. So I'm just gonna dab it on with a sponge as always. Gonna apply some foundation, and this is the Long Stay foundation, also by Mia Beauty. Can't wait to launch, guys. Jeez, I keep saying this, but trust me, when you try this product, you're gonna fall in love, I promise you. Okay, cool. So I'm ready for step 1, which is the eyeshadow primer. Okay, so the primer that I'm gonna use is got a bit of color in it, you can see. So acts like a concealer as well. Just put a little bit, dab it on with your fingers, just like this. Okay, so this is like the eyeshadow gripper. It's gonna keep the eyeshadow in place throughout the day. Now the eyeshadow I'm gonna go for is actually not an eyeshadow. I'm gonna go for the liquid drops that I used in one of my previous videos. And I'm gonna use the bronze ones today. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow, which is the drops. I really like these drops. You can use them as highlighter, you can use them as bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, and I'm going for the wings. Alright guys, so now I'm done with the eyeliner. You can see, went for the wings, straight for the kill. Now I'm going to choose nice eyelashes, highlight the inner corners and the brow bone, and just take it from there. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the brow bone first, a little bit here. That area definitely needs a highlight. So I'm going to put a little bit with the blending brush of this brown eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna line my upper lash line with black eyeliner pencil, just to blending with eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna choose eyelashes, and for this look I wanna go for the wing lashes, obviously. So let me get a pair of wing lashes from our Mia Beauty collection, and I'm gonna be right back at you. Very little at the bottom. So guys, I'm gonna clean up with some concealer under my eyes, this triangle area. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some setting powder to put everything in place. So under the eye, I apply the concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the bronzer around my forehead and just under my cheeks. You can use a flat top brush or an angle brush, whichever one is easy. Some peach blush. I think we should go for gold highlighter, right? Or the drops. Let's do the drops. I'm addicted to these. Over here. Now the lipstick. So I'm gonna apply some of our lip oil, and this one is beautiful with the glow, actually. And that's that. Okay, now I'm gonna fix up my hair, and I'll be back at you guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you like this look. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you very much. If you have any questions, any suggestions, comments or anything, drop them in the comment section down below. And if you don't have the exact same products because we haven't launched them yet, then you can just use whatever you have at home. Okay, so I will see you guys very soon with another tutorial. Until then, stay blessed. And I wanted to just say something. Oh, I want to say thank you to my team. Everybody's been amazing, you know. If you guys subscribe to myamiabeauty.com, you're gonna get newsletters on when we're gonna launch our first products. Thank you again for watching, guys. Love you lots, and see you soon with another tutorial. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.